Yes, hello everybody. My name is Oscar Kibet. So today I have a special product here. Now this is called Rattan.Bassinet. This one is good for those mothers who are getting into parenthood. At least I have some good news for you. Now for this Rattan.Bassinet, it is divided into different sections. It is possible to separate the bassinet itself from the stand, as you can see. It is even portable to carry it like this way, yeah. And then inside the bassinet, we have a foam sheet mattress inside here. This is very comfortable for the baby, and it has been duly tested. It is not high density. It is a special kind of density that is suitable for babies. Because if you use high density on this, it will not be very comfortable for the young one. Now, this is the bassinet itself. So it comes with a foam sheet mattress, and then we have options. We also have options of nets, but the owner did not specify on what she really wanted. I don't think she really wanted that as for now, because she already had that in her house. So this is how it will look like, yeah. Now, the second thing that we have is the stand. Now, when you look at this stand, it is made of wrought furniture frame, and then it is covered with pure rattan cane. So this is how it looks like, and then it has been made in a way that it can be able to rock. So when we are making this product, we decided to add mahogany. We had decided to add mahogany plank, which is this one, yeah. The reason why we decided to add mahogany plank, so that it does not scratch the floor. So we just tried it. We just tried to have it tested as this way, as the way it is right now. So as you try slowly to rock it, you can see it is rocking on a very stable. It's quite stable, which means it cannot. We've made it in such a way it cannot be able to topple over. So this is basically how this product looks like. Now we've not varnished it. There are two ways of having this thing finished. You can have clear varnish. You can have Pinotex, or you can have just a normal stain. Others prefer even to have the product painted. But for us, most of the time, we prefer to have this product clear varnished, because clear varnish retains the natural outlook. Now, I'll explain to you slightly more about this material. This material is pure rattan cane. We have other types of cane in the market. We also have plastic, but when you look at this product, this is pure cane. It's a natural product. So the beauty of cane is that it is biodegradable, it is easy to wash, and it lasts for quite a very long time. So anyway, that is all that I had to show you for today. I really appreciate the engagement that I've been getting here. So I promise we'll try and post at least 3 to 4 videos every week, longer videos. But for the meantime, we are posting shorts. So please, I would like you guys to kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and God bless.